Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom home is located in the quiet subdivision of Inglewood, Clarendon. The property is very fruited with mango, soursop, coconut, etc. This house has high ceiling with lots of ventilation and carries a British feel. This house is ready for the returning residents and locals alike. The land area is approximately 8,480 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this house is Jamaican 30 million or US $195,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.